Okay, this is going to be a quick unboxing video. I got a brand new old stock Hoover Brush vac in the mail today. Technically, it's the first time I've had a new vacuum in a while. I've never used one of these. I've always had Dirt Devils anytime that I've had a hand vac, or for a short time I did have a Bezel a long time ago. Alright. I'll be making a future video of this. Hoover Brush Vac Electric Cleaner S1083. Brand new, never used. And I got a spare belt. Let's see how old this machine is. I know it was made somewhere between the 80s and early 90s. I guess I'll find out. Maybe it'll tell me inside here. I don't see anything on the box at the moment. Here's the brush attachment. It goes to the end of it. I guess if you wanted to clean like blinds or, maybe some kind of hard surface. Yep, still wrapped up in the plastic here. It's hard to do this with one hand. Yep, there it is. Cord's all tied up there. Instruction manual. Let's see what that says here. There's got to be a year on there someplace. I know they first started making them, I think, in '85. That may be how old that is. Well, it does say 1985 there. Is that 85? Yep, 85. Consumer response card. Of course, I won't be, needing that, but it's still interesting having all that. All right. Well, I got this new belt here because I'm pretty sure it's going to have to be replaced. I know it's never been used or nothing, but it's been sitting for like 40 years, so it's probably going to have to have a new one put on there. Alright, I'm going to get this undone, and then I'm going to make a quick video of it running and see how well it does.